empty now. Bring her over the flat car.
The mold's cracking. Get the sand.
Patch it up, hurry! Keep it steady on the left. Almost through. Tighten those clamps now. Hold it right there, Bill. Get that clamp tight.
Yeah, I got it.
All right, start the rotation slow now.
Watch the rings.
Easy, easy, she's in.
All right, boys, let's get this keeper plate set before we torque it. Bring that indicator right to the 0 mark.
Easy now.
It's there, boss. 90 degrees, exactly.
Very good. Lock her down.
Watch your hands there. Bring it down slow. Looks aligned on this side. Set her down.
We're holding steady at 350. Keep a close eye on that flange, boys.
Yes, sir. Checking now.
Easy now, easy. A little to the left. Hold it right there. We got it. Easy now, easy. Watch that alignment right there. All right, lock her down. Let's check that level. All right, pulling her back now. Movement is smooth on the outside. Looks good, boss.
The Johnson bar controlling the valve gear is secured to the reach rod. Observe the precise movement as the quadrant positions are tested.
All right, bring her down, easy.
Watch the alignment there.
Okay, lock it in. Start riveting.
All
Double check the water lines from the tender.
They're secure, Foreman.
Very well. Initiate the pickup test.
All right, boys, bring her down easy. Watch the equalizer beam. Almost there, just a little to the left. Set it down, we're clear. All right, man, easy now. Bring her down slow. Watch the clearance on the pin. Hold it right there. Now bring it down slow. All right, steady, steady. It's in. Watch your hands there.
Almost seated, boss.
Hit it hard. Let's lock her in. Bring it down another inch. Hold it right there. Lock her down tight.
The alignment on the valve seems off by a fraction.
I noticed that too. We need to recalibrate before the next shift.
right, cut the valve. The clearance on the number 2 driver is within tolerance.
Good. Log that as complete.
There she blows.
How's she holding on the articulated? No leaks. Cylinder travel is steady. The steam pressure holds steady at 200. Check the alignment on the rear drivers, standard. Looks good from here. Let's double check the valve settings.
1,208,750 pounds. Recorded.
The Union Pacific proudly presents the culmination of modern engineering, the Big Boy, number 4014.
Gentlemen, ALCO has outdone itself. Number 4014 is ready for the rails.
Indeed, a testament to American engineering.